Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well. I started this week by clearing some ingredients from my fridge with a yummy Korean army stew. This is the first time it's actually come out how it's supposed to. It was so delicious and I can't wait to make it again.
밥이랑 부대찌개 라면.
I also ended up watching the Britney Spears documentary on Hulu. I was a huge Britney Spears fan when I was little, so learning everything that was going on was so sad, and I'm all for the hashtag Free Britney. I really wanted to watch the halftime show for the Super Bowl this year since I really liked The Weeknd, and I thought it was really great. We actually ended up watching the whole rest of the Super Bowl, which was interesting since I'm not a big sports person. The squirrels seem to already know that this window means food, so I thought I would try to get them to bond a bit with me.
You're the Squirrel Whisperer. Go, go, go. I almost punched that squirrel in the throat.
Eric and I went outside for a bit to run some errands, and the sky just looked so beautiful. It kind of looks like a watercolor painting.
Oh my god, look at the airplane.
For some reason, I was interested in eating a salad, so I decided to just eat something light, and it was super good thanks to that cheese and that huge piece of bread.
Honey balsamic.
Of course, I couldn't go the day with just that, so I got some sushi to share with Eric, and it was so good since it's been such a long time.
eel, cucumber, 카니,
Nice.
미소 soup. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Yummy.
I decided to do some cleaning and opened up the windows to get some fresh air. I thought it was really pretty how the wind blew the curtains, and it just seemed very refreshing.
Used to cry alone at night, tears had stained my eyes, but with you it's like I never felt that way.
It actually ended up snowing the next day, and it was that kind of slow, fluffy snow that falls down like a filter. It almost didn't seem real.
I can be a fool for the little things.
I know I say it all the time, but this lighting is just giving me so much life. I was scrolling through Pinterest, drinking my morning coffee, and I just couldn't help but to capture it.
Baby, I love you so I don't know what to do.
You guys saw how my mom made me that burrata toast, and I just had to make it at my apartment.
Love you so I don't know what to do. Take a little breath and push aside.
I grilled tomatoes, and I also added red onions to mine, and I shockingly didn't have balsamic vinegar, but it was still really good.
Lately I've been so afraid, can't control these feelings. I've taken a dose of you, just a little will suffice, so I can't survive. Finally, baby, I can be a fool for the little things you do to get a hold of me. Chocolate and roses on a Wednesday night. This feels alright, baby. I love you so I don't know what to do. You got me falling in, I owe it all to you.
My mom and I make tiramisu a lot when I'm back in Connecticut, so I thought I'd get some of the ingredients so I could make it in New York. My mom unfortunately did not leave me with the recipe, so I am using the New York Times recipe. It has the best reviews on Google, so I thought, why not? I'll add the recipe below just in case you want to try. The only problem was I forgot that I don't have any electric kitchen appliances for baking, so I literally had to hand mix everything, and it was so tiring.
I didn't work out, so and I ramen, so this is what I get. What is right.
bad guy now. I'm the one to blame somehow. I only ever wanted to be yours. Oh, yours. But now I thought that I could rely on you. I thought that I could rely on you.
For the espresso, I used the Venezia capsule from Nespresso because it said that it would be good to use in tiramisu.
But I don't know this ghost of a friend I once had.
I also want to note that I used white rum instead of a dark liquor because that is all I had.
Thought that I could crumble like this, but I've been searching for the words to tell you how I'm breaking down. 'Cause I only ever wanted to be yours. Oh, yours, but no. I thought that I could rely on you. I thought that I could rely on you. Something changed your mind.
I also forgot that I don't own a lot of Tupperware, especially large ones, so I had to assemble my tiramisu into smaller containers, which actually is probably better so I don't end up eating all of it at once.
Yours, oh, yours, but no. I thought that I could rely on you. I thought that I could rely on you. Something changed your mind, or something made me blind. But I thought that I could rely.
I bought Henry some new toys since he ruined a lot of his old ones, and he is obsessed with these fish with feathers. It's so cute seeing him so excited. Well, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!